Today is 10/13/2025. It's 6:25 p.m. Here are some videos of the sun. It's pretty quiet in terms of the radio, but see, like, this is kind of new, this mellow.
Well, which one's the sun, everyone? Is it really that tiny in the middle? And everything around it is not the sun?
I really am talking to the sun. I'm Mayan. I can do these things.
But I'm saying the sun is being consumed by a sun, and then everything's going into a black hole.
It was me talking to the birds. And that was me the whole time, okay? It wasn't the bird chirping back. Not that bird. There were other birds chirping.